Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing an install with hair from Wiggins Hair, so let's go ahead and get into it. So along with the hair, they did send a couple of goodies: a pair of lashes, a wig cap, an elastic band, an edge brush. Now let's take a look at the hair. This is their 16-inch curly lace front wig and 250% density with a 13x4 frontal. And the wig did come pre-plucked, which I love, so she is ready to go. First, I'm just gonna go in and define the curls, and to do this, I'm just using some water. Then I went in with my favorite moisturizer, the Lottie Body Styling Milk, and then lastly, just pulled it all together using some foam and mousse. I just realized I didn't even do an intro. But hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. After I finish using all of my products, I'm just going to take a brush and detangle the hair. Then I just like to kind of clump the ends together to make everything look fuller. Now I'm just doing that same process, and I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to install. Alright, so now it's time to install the wig, and all I did was use some lace tinting spray, and that was really it. The wig literally came ready to go. So now I'm just cutting off the lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue it down using some Gots to Be free spray. And whenever I'm cutting lace frontals, I kind of like to go in a zigzag motion. I learned this on TikTok that it just makes the hairline look a little more natural. And y'all, I be fighting with these lace fronts. I do better off when it comes to like closures and stuff. Lace fronts is so much work. So much work, but y'all, be trying my best. So after I finished cutting it, I used some alcohol and just kind of rubbed it against my hairline just to wipe off any excess makeup in that area. And then I'm going to go in with the freeze spray and just apply it right there in that same area, and then use my blow dryer to make it tacky. And whenever I'm going down the frontal, I just work in sections because that works a lot easier for me. I usually start off with this middle section, and after that's in place, then I'll work my way to like either side and just make sure everything is nice and glued down. It also helps a lot if you use a rat tail comb and just kind of push the edges of the wig into the glue. Now I'm just taking some alcohol to clean up the extra glue that's around my hairline. Then I took my makeup brush and just reapplied makeup to that area where I wiped it off. And then I also put some in the hairline of the wig just to make it all blend together better. Now I'm just putting on the elastic band to hold everything down while I define the curls. Now we did already do this step earlier, but now the hair has dried a lot and I just wanted to go in and just kind of refresh it a little bit. So I'm just using a little bit more water and some more of that foaming mousse and just kind of raking my fingers through the hair. And y'all, just look at how good these curls look. Like, this hair, I'm obsessed. So now that I'm done refreshing the curls, I'm just taking my diffuser and just getting everything nice and dry. After it's all dry, I just took my hands and kind of broke the curls apart and fluffed it up because I like big hair. Then I took off the elastic band. I put some foaming mousse on the front of the hair and just kind of made sure everything was laying down. Alright y'all, and here is how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. Definitely gives my hair a break from like the V-part wigs, and I think the curls on this wig is so pretty. I also love how it came to pre-plucked and pre-shaped. It was literally ready to throw on and go. So again, this hair is from Wiggins Hair, and this is their 16-inch curly lace front wig in 250% density with the 13 by 4 inch closure. So I definitely recommend checking this unit out. I'll have all of their information in my description box. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.